In this article, we will provide a simplified explanation of the XRP coin and its associated company, Ripple. We will explore the fundamental concepts, features, and potential use cases of XRP, catering to beginners in the world of cryptocurrencies. What is XRP? XRP is a digital cryptocurrency that was created by Ripple Labs. It operates on a decentralized ledger technology called the XRP ledger. Unlike traditional fiat currencies such as the US dollar or the euro, XRP exists solely in the digital realm, with no physical form. It was designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Ripple is the company that developed and promotes the XRP cryptocurrency. Ripple aims to revolutionize the financial industry by leveraging blockchain technology to enable faster, more efficient, and secure global transactions. Ripple offers various software solutions to financial institutions, including banks and payment providers, to integrate XRP into their systems. Key features of XRP. A. Speed and scalability. XRP transactions are incredibly fast, with settlement times averaging a few seconds. This speed allows for near-instantaneous transfers of value across borders, significantly improving the efficiency of international transactions. B. Low transaction fees. XRP transactions have minimal fees compared to traditional banking systems. This cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for both individuals and businesses, especially for cross-border payments. C. Liquidity and market adoption. XRP has gained significant traction and is widely accepted in the cryptocurrency market. Its high liquidity ensures that users can easily convert XRP into other currencies or assets when needed. D. Consensus algorithm. XRP employs a unique consensus algorithm called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm, RPCA. This algorithm enables the XRP ledger to confirm transactions quickly and securely without the need for extensive computational power or energy consumption. E. RippleNet. RippleNet is a global network of financial institutions that utilize Ripple's technology and XRP for seamless cross-border transactions. By joining RippleNet, banks can tap into the benefits of XRP, including faster settlement times and lower fees. Use cases and applications. 1. Remittances. XRP is an ideal solution for remittance services, enabling individuals to send money across borders quickly and at lower costs compared to traditional methods. 2. Cross-border payments. Ripple's technology, powered by XRP, streamlines cross-border payments for businesses. It eliminates intermediaries, reduces transaction costs, and enhances payment speed, improving global trade efficiency. 3. Micropayments. XRP's low fees and fast transactions make it suitable for micropayments, facilitating transactions as small as fractions of a cent. This opens up opportunities for new business models and innovative payment solutions. 4. Decentralized finance, DeFi. XRP can also be utilized within the growing field of decentralized finance. Smart contracts and other DeFi applications can leverage the speed and scalability of XRP for various financial services. In conclusion, XRP is a digital cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs. It offers fast, cost-effective, and secure cross-border transactions. Ripple, the company behind XRP, aims to revolutionize the financial industry by providing innovative solutions to financial institutions. With its unique features such as speed, scalability, and low transaction fees, XRP has the potential to disrupt traditional banking systems and improve the efficiency of global transactions. The use cases of XRP span various industries, including remittances, cross-border payments, micropayments, and decentralized finance. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, XRP stands as a promising solution for individuals and businesses seeking efficient and reliable digital transactions.